Hi, this is Kenyon with Little Giant Ladder Systems. Today we're going to demo the Little Giant plank. To take the ladder apart, follow the instructions that came with your ladder. Trestle brackets are required with this particular model. We'll quickly remind you never to use these two separate trestles as separate step ladders. By inserting the plank onto these rungs, now we have the foundation for a portable scaffolding system. A quick safety reminder to use the plank only on the bottom rung, the second rung, or the third rung, regardless of which model or which size Little Giant ladder you have. The Little Giant plank carries a 2-person, 500-pound capacity. Again, do not exceed that 2-person or 500-pound workload. The Little Giant plank is made with 2 rung locks on the left side, 2 rung locks on the right side. As you set this trestle up, make sure that you pull that nice and tight. It's always recommended that you have a tight grip between the rung locks and the rung of that outer trestle. Do that on both the left and the right, and now you're good to climb. And a few quick reminders, of course, always choose the right ladder or scaffold for the job. Set it up correctly, maintain 3 points of contact when you're climbing up or down any ladder. And this is the plank by Little Giant Ladder Systems.